Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, I have a very short video to share with you. It's regarding some of my plants, so without further delay, let us dive right into it. Now this is the Wandering Jew. Look at the leaves, the coloration of the leaves. Look at it, how beautiful it is. It has grown into a teeny mini jungle. Very easy to grow, and once it gets the full sun, it turns purple. This is my calathea, the pin strip calathea, the green variety, which has been just watered. You can see the water there in the soil. It's a beautiful plant, but I think a little bit of manure is to be added. It is not looking that very happy. Now this is also the calathea, the pin strip calathea. This is also of the same type, just that the color is different. And look at the leaves, how gorgeous she looks. And the underside is purplish or maroon in color, you can see. I think it's maroon, not purple. I love this plant. Now I have two such pots of plant. Actually, I had one pot, and from there I have got another one. Now this is the Aglonema lipstick. Look at her, how gracefully she's dancing the breeze. Look at its margins. And that's the bonus, the baby plant, which is coming up. Wow, very soon the leaf is going to unfold. Look at the leaves. I just love to admire this plant. Now this is another Aglonema. It is also called the Chinese evergreen, the common variety. Although it's a common variety, I love the leaves. Look at that. Now this is the pink Aglonema, the gorgeous one. Now these plants can be kept indoors as well, but not for a long period. For just a couple of days it can be kept indoors. It is just going to lift the spirits, the space you keep it. A beautiful plant altogether. Look at the leaves. These flowers do not need to flower. The leaves are so attractive. Now this is my Maranta. I've shown you also earlier in one of my videos. This is the new plant. As you all know, it is doing very well. Now I had to show you my bougainvillea. Look at them. How pretty it is looking. Look at the intense color. Wow. Bracts can look so beautiful. Look at that. Finally, again, it's the recap. I can see Maranta, the Aglonema, the pink Aglonema. This is the Chinese evergreen. I have added manure to these two pots a few days back. The Aglonema lipstick, a pretty one again. That's the calathea, the pin strip calathea. During the winters, it looks very beautiful, but during the summers, due to the sun, the leaf burns very easily. Now this is the Chrysula baby's necklace, which I am showing you after a very long time. It's a tiny one. Now look at my geranium. Look at this beauty. Still blooming, but let me show the other bunch where it has formed pods, and I'm keeping an eye on it so that I can harvest the seeds. Now that's the new bud, already ready to bloom. So thank you friends for staying till the end. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing. And stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today.